Plumbing jobs can be frustrating without the right tools. Whether you're a professional plumber or a DIY homeowner, smart and efficient tools can save time, effort, and costly mistakes. In this video, we're exploring 20 genius plumbing tools on Amazon designed to make repairs faster, cleaner, and far easier. The Vorhixa 6 pieces angle wrench set is designed to reach tight and awkward spaces that traditional wrenches simply can't handle. These specialized angle wrenches are ideal for plumbing compression fittings, faucet installations, and other confined work areas under sinks or behind pipes. Built from durable materials, the wrenches provide excellent grip and torque without slipping. The angled design allows plumbers to work comfortably even in narrow cabinets or crowded plumbing setups. With multiple sizes included, this set offers versatility for different plumbing tasks. Whether you're tightening nuts or loosening stubborn fittings, this wrench set can make the job much faster and more convenient. The iCrimp IYWS 1632AF copper tube fittings crimping tool is built for professionals who need precise and reliable crimping. Designed for copper tube fittings, this tool ensures secure and leak-free connections every time. Its ergonomic handles provide comfortable grip and excellent leverage, reducing fatigue during extended use. The heavy-duty steel construction ensures durability even in demanding job site conditions. With its precise crimping mechanism, plumbers can quickly install fittings without worrying about weak joints or leaks. Whether you're working on residential plumbing or professional installations, this tool delivers consistent results and improves efficiency in pipe fitting projects. The Oatey 33403 plastic plug is a simple yet incredibly useful plumbing accessory designed for temporary pipe sealing and testing. It is commonly used to cap off pipes during plumbing repairs or new installations. Made from durable plastic, the plug fits securely and prevents leaks while systems are being tested or modified. Its lightweight design makes installation quick and effortless without requiring additional tools. Plumbers often rely on these plugs during rough-in work or when isolating sections of piping. Despite its small size, the Oatey plastic plug can be a real lifesaver when you need a quick and reliable solution to block water flow. Clogged drains are one of the most common plumbing problems, and the MEISTERFAKTUR Drain Snake 2.0 offers an effective solution. This upgraded drain cleaning tool is designed to remove hair, debris, and stubborn blockages from sinks, showers, and bathroom drains. The flexible cable easily navigates through pipes to reach deep clogs that standard tools cannot access. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while its easy-to-use design makes it suitable for both professionals and homeowners. Instead of relying on harsh chemicals, this tool provides a safe and eco-friendly way to clear drains quickly and efficiently. The iCrimp CRQ01 Disconnect Tong is a specialized plumbing tool designed for removing PEX push-fit fittings quickly and safely. This handy tool helps plumbers disconnect fittings without damaging pipes or connectors. Its compact and ergonomic design allows easy operation in tight spaces, making it ideal for under-sink or behind-wall plumbing work. The durable steel construction ensures long-term reliability and consistent performance. By simplifying the removal process, this tool saves time during repairs, upgrades, or system modifications. For anyone working with PEX plumbing systems, the iCrimp Disconnect Tong is an essential addition to the toolbox. The RIDGID plumbing wrench is a versatile and professional-grade tool designed for installing and removing faucets and plumbing fixtures. Its multi-purpose design allows plumbers to handle various nuts, supply lines, and mounting hardware with ease. The tool provides excellent reach in tight spaces under sinks, where traditional wrenches struggle to fit. Built with RIDGID's well-known durability, it offers strong grip and reliable performance for both professionals and DIY users. Whether you're replacing a faucet or tightening plumbing connections, this tool simplifies the process and reduces installation time significantly. The Oatey angle stop wrench is specifically designed for installing and removing angle stop valves with precision. These valves are commonly located in tight spaces behind toilets or sinks, making them difficult to access with standard tools. This wrench provides the perfect grip and leverage to loosen or tighten valves quickly. The slim and angled design allows plumbers to work efficiently without damaging surrounding components. Built from strong materials, it ensures durability and reliability even with frequent use. For professionals who regularly work with shutoff valves, this tool can dramatically improve speed and accuracy. The 2-in-1 Ratchet PEX crimping tool is a highly efficient tool designed for both crimping and removing PEX cinch clamps. This dual-function design saves time and eliminates the need to carry multiple tools. The ratcheting mechanism provides consistent pressure, ensuring secure connections every time. Built with heavy-duty steel, the tool is durable enough for professional plumbing tasks. Its comfortable handles make extended use easier and reduce hand fatigue. Whether you're replacing a faucet or tightening plumbing connections, this tool makes the process faster, simpler, and far more convenient. The iCrimp IWS1807CN PEX Crimping Toolkit is a complete solution for installing PEX plumbing systems. This kit typically includes crimping tools, gauges, and other accessories needed to create strong and reliable pipe connections. Designed with precision engineering, it ensures accurate crimps that prevent leaks and maintain system integrity. The tool's ergonomic design provides comfortable handling while delivering excellent leverage. Ideal for both professionals and advanced DIY users, this complete kit simplifies PEX installations and repairs. If you frequently work with PEX cubing, this comprehensive kit can significantly improve your workflow and efficiency. The RIDGID Basin wrench is one of the most essential tools for faucet installation and removal. Designed specifically for hard-to-reach mounting nuts under sinks, this wrench provides exceptional reach and gripping power. Its adjustable head easily clamps onto various nut sizes, allowing plumbers to loosen or tighten them without frustration. The long handle provides excellent leverage, making it easier to remove stubborn connections. With its durable construction and smart design, the RIDGID Basin wrench is trusted by professionals worldwide for efficient sink and faucet installations. The HAUTMEC Pro automatic copper tube cutter is designed for quick and precise cutting of copper pipes. Its compact design makes it ideal for tight spaces where traditional pipe cutters may not fit. The automatic adjustment mechanism ensures consistent pressure while cutting, resulting in clean and smooth pipe edges. This tool helps plumbers complete pipe installations faster while maintaining professional quality results. Built with durable materials, it is designed for long-term reliability. Whether you're installing new copper lines or replacing damaged sections, this cutter ensures accuracy and efficiency every time. The Knipex 8700-100 Cobra pliers are compact yet incredibly powerful plumbing pliers designed for precision work. Despite their small size, these pliers provide excellent gripping strength and adjustable jaw positions. The self-locking mechanism ensures a secure hold on pipes and fittings without slipping. Made in Germany with premium materials, they are known for exceptional durability and performance. Plumbers appreciate the comfort and control this tool provides, especially when working in tight spaces. If you need a reliable, compact plier for everyday plumbing tasks, this Knipex model is a top-tier choice. The WORKPRO 12-inch groove joint pliers are a versatile tool widely used in plumbing and mechanical tasks. Their adjustable jaws allow plumbers to grip pipes, nuts, and fittings of different sizes with ease. The hardened steel construction ensures durability and resistance to heavy use. Comfortable anti-slip handles provide excellent control and reduce fatigue during extended work sessions. Whether you're tightening connections, holding pipes, or loosening stubborn fittings, these pliers offer reliable performance. For anyone working on plumbing repairs or installations, groove joint pliers like these are an essential tool. XFITTING push-fit connectors make plumbing installations incredibly fast and simple. These fittings allow pipes to connect instantly without soldering, clamps, or special tools. The push-to-connect mechanism creates a secure and leak-proof seal that works with PEX, copper, and CPVC pipes. This makes them extremely convenient for both professionals and DIY users. They are especially useful for quick repairs or emergency fixes where traditional methods would take more time. With reliable construction and easy installation, XFITTING push-fit connectors are a smart addition to modern plumbing systems. The Knipex TubiX pipe cutter is a premium tool designed for precise and effortless pipe cutting. It features a durable cutting wheel and smooth adjustment system that ensures clean, accurate cuts every time. The ergonomic design provides comfortable handling while delivering excellent cutting control. This cutter works efficiently on copper, brass, and stainless steel pipes commonly used in plumbing installations. Built with the exceptional quality Knipex is known for, the tool offers long-lasting performance and reliability. For professionals seeking precision and durability, the TubiX pipe cutter is an outstanding choice. The Laisgoo Angle Stop Wrench Kit is designed to simplify the installation and removal of angle stop valves in tight spaces. These valves are often located behind sinks or toilets, making them difficult to reach with standard tools. This kit includes specially designed wrenches that provide excellent grip and leverage for efficient operation. Its durable construction ensures reliability during repeated use. By allowing plumbers to work comfortably in confined areas, this tool helps reduce installation time and improves overall productivity during plumbing maintenance or repairs. The Rogvoc Propress tool is designed for pressing copper pipe fittings quickly and securely. Instead of traditional soldering, this tool uses a pressing mechanism to create strong and leak-free connections. This significantly reduces installation time and eliminates the need for open flames or heating equipment. Its powerful hydraulic design ensures consistent results even in demanding professional environments. Plumbers working on large projects can greatly benefit from the speed and reliability this tool provides. With modern press technology becoming increasingly popular, tools like this are transforming the plumbing industry. The DAYDOOR PVC pipe reamer is a handy tool designed to remove old pipe fittings and clean up PVC pipe ends. This tool helps plumbers reuse existing pipes by removing leftover glue or fittings without damaging the pipe itself. The durable blade design ensures efficient cutting and smooth operation. It attaches easily to drills, making the process faster and less labor-intensive. For plumbing repairs or renovations, this tool can save both time and material costs by allowing pipes to be reused instead of replaced. The Smart Jerry rubber strap wrench is perfect for gripping delicate or smooth surfaces without causing damage. Unlike metal wrenches, the rubber strap provides a firm grip on pipes, jars, filters, and other round objects. This makes it extremely useful for plumbing tasks where traditional tools may scratch or damage fittings. The adjustable strap allows it to fit a wide range of sizes. Lightweight yet strong, it provides excellent torque while maintaining safety. For plumbers and homeowners alike, this versatile tool is a simple but incredibly effective solution. The Magnetic Pipe Center Finder is a clever tool designed to locate the center of metal pipes hidden behind walls or surfaces. Using strong magnets, it helps plumbers accurately identify pipe positions before drilling or cutting. This prevents accidental damage to plumbing systems and ensures precise installation work. The compact design makes it easy to carry and use on job sites. For anyone performing renovations, installations, or maintenance work, this simple device can save significant time and prevent costly mistakes. Those were 20 genius plumbing tools on Amazon that can make repairs faster, easier, and far more efficient. Whether you're a professional plumber or a DIY enthusiast, having the right tools can completely change your workflow. If you enjoyed this list, make sure to check out more tool guides and innovations.